I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone, hello universe, it's me again. Shout out sa inyo mga kababayan. Hello sa mga Marcos loyalists and supporters, Filipinos and OFW. Ayan, mayroon po akong isi-share sa inyo na video guys. Kung nakikita nyo ito mga kababayan, ito po yung pinaka-longest bridge, tulay, dyan po sa Cagayan Valley. Alam nyo ba ang story nito? Isa-short po natin, summary lang po natin, ano. Siyempre, napakagandang tulay ito. Grabe, sa tagal ng panahon ni Garcia, tapos sino pa ba, no? Basahin nga natin mamaya. Pero papakita ko sa inyo yung imahe nitong tulay na ito. Napakaganda mga kababayan. Ang simple lang yung yung design niya, pero talagang matibay ito mga kababayan, ha. Sobrang tibay. Sabi ko nga, basta Marcos, the best talaga ang pamumuno niya, no. The longest bridge, no, ng Cagayan Valley. Ito po yung Bonton Bridge sa Cagayan Valley. Napakaganda. Isa po yan sa pinaka magandang tulay at mahaba na tulay dyan sa Cagayan. At syempre, isa sa pinaka legacy ng dating Pangulong Marcos Sr. And of course, may ambag din naman ng ibang past president. Pero dahil dyan mga kababayan, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga image nito, no? Yung mga highlights itong tulay na ito. Napakaganda. Nakita nyo yan guys. Ganda, no? Napakasimple yung design niya mga kababayan, pero tingnan nyo naman kung gaano katibay yung materials na ginamit dito. Ang ganda, di ba? Yan po yung Bonton Bridge sa Cagayan Valley. Ay napakahaba ito guys. Hindi katulad po yung tulay na nasira diyan po sa Isabela. Tingnan nyo ang dami-daming design, di ba? Kung ikumpara nyo dito sa design nito, napakasimple ng design niya. Ayan tingnan nyo naman ang design niya guys. Yan yung Bonton Bridge. Grabe, Kung nakikita nyo dito, yung paa niya ba? Yung pinagtutungtungan niya, Doble, Akala mo, dalawang poste lang. Hindi, guys, ha? Sa gitna, mayroon, Talagang doble. Kaya, sabi ko, di ba? Simple po lang yung design itong tulay nito. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano katagal ito, ha? Gaano ba katagal ito? Basahin ko sa inyo mamaya, Mayroon akong lumang litrato na ipapakita sa inyo. Ito pa, mga highlights guys, ha. Yan, tingnan nyo guys, tingnan nyo naman mga kababayan kung gaano kahaba yan, ganda, no. See? Simple lang ang design niya, pero grabe. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Shout out sa mga taga Cagayan Valley. Ayan pa, wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda, 'di ba, guys? Isa yan, guys, sa mga legacy ng dating Pangulong Marcos Sr. Yan, hanggang ngayon buhay pa, napapakinabangan ng lahat. 'Di ba? Si Cory Aquino, may big project ba 'yon, mga kababayan? Ako po ay nagtatanong lamang. Huwag yung masamain. Nagtatanong lang po ako. Ano ba yung big projects ni dating Pangulong Aquino, guys, ni Cory? May baka pa. Ayan, ayan, guys, tingnan nyo. Yung Bonton na bridge ng Cagayan Valley. Grabe, Antindi yan. Wow. Ganda naman talaga, Yan, wow, ganda, 'di ba? Shout out sa mga taga-Cagayan. Pag sa gabi, guys, may ilaw siya, tingnan niyo. Ganda rin naman talaga, Ayan, ganda din ng view, no? Tingnan nyo naman. Tingnan nyo guys, kung paano yung paggawa sa kanya, oh. Konkreto talaga, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Talagang mayroong bridge dito, guys, para siguradong matibay talaga, oh. Alam nyo, natutuwa ko kasi yung design ba, hindi siya maarte sa design. Simple lang, pero tingnan nyo kung gaano katagal yan, mga kababayan. O, di ba, mga kababayan? O, so dahil dyan, guys, no, basahin ko po ito. O, kung kailan po binuksan. O, ito na. Basahin natin, okay? So, sinabi dito, mga kababayan, ayan, o. In 1969, the late President Garcia, ayan, release 200 million from RA 917 to start the construction, ayan, of the Bonton Bridge. This major amount for the longest bridge in the Philippines was augmented in several appropriation and embodied two different Republic Act through the effort of the Congressman Benjamin T. Ligot on December 17, 1960. The bridge was started with the groundbreaking ceremonies attempted personally by the President Garcia. Di guys, ano po ang kapalagayan nyo? Di ba? Monsignor Tudulfo. Agay. Si dating President Garcia pa pala ang presidente na siya po ang nag-start nitong tulay na ito. So, tuloy natin. Tapos dito, sabi po dito, Monsignor Tudulfo Domingo, Senator Eulogio Balao, Congressman Ligot, and Garduki and Angelo C. Alonso, them project engineer. Yan yung ano guys, yan yung project engineer, yan si Angelo C. Alonso. Sabi po dito, no? Out of 200 million, tama ba 200 million ba yan? Abutment, a fair 1 footing and pedestral of fair 11 and all RC file for abutment beware complete. No? The construction was based from the original plan of team ano yun? Nakalagay dyan, guy, from the original plan of team 240 feet. Agay, mataas na ba yan? Still true, truss, spans, and 150 feet. I've been approached a span on its end. The distance between Fair 1 and Fair 2, which was established by triangulation, proved 2. Sabi dito guys masyadong maliit kasi. Almost project because the trusses were easily fitted on all the flares. Sabi ganun. Naks naman. ang liliit nitong kasing mga sulat na ito guys tuloy natin. Pagtiyagaan na lang natin para alam natin ano. When President Diosdado Macapagal took over in 1962, no one knows whether or he would continue the project started by his predecessor. Fortunately, Congressman Ligot prevailed on the inconvenient president to continue the work under contract with the EGBID Construction Corporation. The contract was for construction of Fair 2 to 10 and part of Fair 11 and abutment B. Guys hindi pala natapos to nung panahon ni President Garcia, no? Dahil mayroong bagong administration. So bakit hindi niya natapos ang tanong, mga kababayan? Ang tanong, ang haba ng, di ba 6 years ang panahon ng presidente, bakit hindi natapos pa yan? Well, I think siguro dahil sa haba ng tulay, ano? So, hindi niya natapos, si makapagal na po, mga kababayan, ang presidente, siya ang nagtuloy. Oh, titingnan natin kung matuloy-tuloy, ano? Oh. In 1963, when the province was divided into two, engineer district, ayan, the Butuan Bridge was given to general supervision of the second Cagayan engineering district, handed by the Alonso, now as a highway district engineer. Due to the widening of the river channel caused by the frequent floods, the plan for the bridge was changed. Nag-iba. Diba? To the 250 feet, agay, Japanese steel through truss spans 150 feet, I-beam approach, agay, a span on the Solana side. President Ferdinand A. Marcos, yan, senior ito guys, whom concern for the welfare of the Cagayanons, no one can doubt. Ordered Secretary, sabi dito guys, ordered Secretary B, ordered Antonio B. Rakisa to direct the assignment of the Bureau Construction, ayun, a Japanese steel, sabi ganon. Sabi dito, Japanese steel through truss spans 150 feet, I-beam approach spans on the Solana side. President Ferdinand Edralin Marcos Sr. guys, whom concern for the welfare of the Cagayanons, no one can doubt, ordered Secretary Antonio B. Rakisa to direct the assignment of the Bureau Construction, agay, construction team handed by engineer, ayan, Rogelio Talastas to Buntan Bridge, agay, ayan, the work was in full swing in May 1968. Wow, galing, no? Bilis. On May 10, 1969, the bridge was practically finished. 1969 natapos guys, when the last concrete slab was poured with concrete, the construction team was under the the construction team was under the general supervision of Alonso. On June 1, 1969, the construction team was transferred to another project, leaving to the Alonso the following unfinished work. Number 1, completion of the painting, of the number 1, completion of the painting of the superstructure, nakalagay. And number 3, completion of the nakalagay, grouted, riprap of the abutment, and number 3, construction of the road approaches. On June 10, 1969, the bridge was formally open. Agay, binuksan guys noong June 10, 1969. Agay, to vehicular traffic by the First Lady of the land, Miss Imelda Romualdez Marcos. and assisted by the Vice President Ferdinand Lopez, guys, and then Acting Governor David M. Puson. The largest bridge in the Philippines with total length of 1,098, guys. Meters. Top 3 president to complete its tourist site 2. Tatlong presidenteng pinagdaan kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. Ang totally complete ang finish ng bridge, Buntan Bridge. Magkano po ang halaga? 9 million. The Buntan Bridge, ayan, spans the wide Cagayan River. It cost some 9 million pesos. Galing yan sa pera ng bayan. You see, mga beso, nakita nyo si First Lady? Ayan, nag-cutting siya ng ribbon, guys, So, yun, guys, kung nakikita nyo si First Lady, nag-cut siya ng ribbon ng Bunton Bridge in June 10, 1969. Diba, guys? Galing talaga ng dating Pangulong Marcos Sr. Mas malaki ang unbag niya kasi siya ang fully talaga naghubog ng Bunton Bridge ng that time, mga kababayan. So, ito po yung engineer niya, guys. Yan po yung engineer ng Bunton Bridge, guys. Siya po si Angelo C. Alonso. Wow. Anong nakalagay diyan? Basahin po natin. First Lady, Mrs. Imelda R. Marcos cut the ceremonial ribbon to open Bunton Bridge to traffic. Wow. Ayan, grabe ang tagal ng tulay na yan, Biro nyo. 1969. Anong taon na ngayon, mga kababayan? Dekada na yung tulay na yan. Matibay pa. Hindi kayo naloka. Yan ang totoong leader. May malasakit sa bayan. Di ba? Nag-alala ang dating Pangulong Marcos Sr. sa mga Cagayan nun. Kaya ang ginawa niya, inutusan niya kaagad itong engineer na kailangan gawin na ang tulay ng Bunton Bridge. Agay! Galing talaga, memorable. Kaya ang mga Marcos never forget sa Philippine history. Yan, guys, si Engineer Alonso. Yan po ang engineer ng Bunton Bridge. Marami sila actually. So, itong bridge na ito, guys, nag-umpisa kay Garcia. Tapos kay kay Macapagal na hindi naman natapos. Hindi, ilang poste lang yata yun. Si Ferdinand R. Edralin Marcos Sr. ang buong puso na tinapos. Nakakahaba yan, mga kababayan, diba? So, yun, guys, ang aking pinaka-latest updates video. Mga kababayan, meron akong susunod na video na parang same din na ganito, mga kababayan, na story na itong Bunton Bridge. Dito po sa nagumuho na Isabela. Ngayon, ipinagbibintang si PBBM daw ang may kasalanan. Pero, ihatid ko sa inyo ang kumpletong balita tungkol dyan. Umpisa kay Panot, mga kababayan. So, yun, guys, maraming salamat sa inyong watching. See you again on my next upload video. Bye, and babush. God bless Philippines.